Okay, so next we have evaluating algebraic expressions. Okay, so basically we're just combining like terms. Okay, substituting numbers in for variables. So, for this first one, or this example here, we want to evaluate this expression if x equals 2 and y equals 12. So x is 2, so I'm going to plug that in right here. So that's 2 to the third power, plus 5 times y, which is 12, minus 3. And then we make sure we use our order of operations. So this is first, 2 to the third power is 8, plus 5 times, I know I'm doing 2 steps here, but we've got this, 12 minus 3 is 9, 8 plus 45, 55, 53. Okay? All right, so I want you to try these. These are pretty easy. Okay, so try these. Pause your video and try these, and then come back to me. All right, so if x is negative 2, I plug that in here. I've got negative 2 plus 7 is 9. Here I've got 3x, x is still negative 2, 3 times negative 2 minus 5. I'm going to multiply first before I subtract. So that's negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11. And then here, let's see, x is negative 2, so I've got negative 2 times y, which is 3, plus 3 times z, which is 4. Okay, so I need to do what's in the parentheses first. And I've got 2 things to multiply here. So I've got negative 2 times 6 plus 12. So negative 2, 6 plus 12 is 18. This gives me negative 36. Okay, so your homework then for 0.2, you already have that, and if you don't, it's attached to Canvas and you can print that out and do that. That will be due the next time I see you. And then this is just a Calvin and Hobbes cartoon. Okay, so 0.3, you saw 0.2 is really short, and that's why I'm doing 0.3 also, is properties of numbers and simplifying expressions. So here we've got a property. This is that house I showed you guys on the first day, the outside of that house that my husband designed, and this is property, and these are simplifying expressions. I know, it's another really dumb thing, but oh well. Okay, so what is the distributive property? I'll tell you that this is what I think of. So this is a picture of people standing outside and they're waiting to get bottled water. So I envision somebody like standing in the back of a truck or something, and maybe there's been a natural disaster, and I envision them passing out water bottles to people. So I got water bottle, and they're going to people. Okay, that they're distributing that water bottle. And that is kind of how you can think of it too. So you've got the one person, you've got this person on the truck, okay, and they're distributing to these people. And when they hand it out, one goes to that person, one goes to that person. So A times B plus C is AB plus AC. And this happens with every single term that we have within the parentheses. So if A is distributing to all of these things, that means that A gives every single one of them a water bottle, right? All right, so, okay, so for example, 3 times 6 plus 2, I'm going to distribute that 3, so 3 times 6 is 18x, plus 3 times 2 is 6. Now over here, the 7 is not in the front, but that doesn't matter because you can distribute this way also. So 7 times negative 2n is negative 14n, and negative 10 times 7 is negative 70. down here, I thought I'd throw in some fractions. Okay, negative 1/3, I'm just gonna put this right here. Negative 1/3 times negative 3. Okay, I don't know why multiplying fractions is so hard for some people, but just remember that when you're multiplying fractions, okay, they go across. All right, so in this case, negative 1/3 times negative 3 is just 1. These two cancel each other out, and then I have a negative times a negative. So these cancel, these become positive, so I'm just left with x. Okay, and then negative 1/3, negative 1/3 times 9, this gives me negative 9/3, which is negative 3. So this is x minus 3. And then of course here, x times x is x squared, and x times 2 is 2x. All right, so I want you guys to try these. So get out your paper. Well, hopefully your paper's already out, you've been doing those, but go ahead and give these a try and pause. All right, so this one, I'm going to distribute the negative 2. Negative 2 times 4n is negative 8n. Negative 2 times negative 10 is a positive 20. Okay, over here, distributing the 3. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times negative 6y is negative 18y. And 3 times 7 is 21. Down here, again, I threw in another fraction there for you. Negative 1/6 times 12 is the same thing as 12/6. So we have negative 2, and then negative 1/6 times negative 6x is just positive x again. And this is correct, but usually we see it written like this. Either one is correct, but sometimes they have you put it in like this, just in case you do it and you get it wrong. Try switching it around. Okay, and then this 10, we've got 30a plus 20b. All right. Okay, I'm going to stop there and we'll go on in the next video.